Do you need to save space when you're packing for a cruise? Usually it's weight you want to save, and I'll talk about that in another video. But if you want to save space, or you just want to be a bit organized, I came across some things called packing cubes, and I got myself a variety of different things. They're not just for space saving, but I have found that they're very useful. But first of all, space saving. I got these bags in varying sizes. This is a big one. You can use it to put stuff in, to put it under your bed, I guess. I don't use that for packing for cruising, but it has on it, like you put on the smaller version, is what I use. You take the hook, the top off here, and there's a little pump that fits on there. It's USB charged. Put it on there, press the button, and it sucks all of the air out. So it saves a lot of space. What it doesn't save is weight. So if you're limited in the size of your suitcase, but you need to have more space, then this is a great way of doing it. You can shrink your clothes down, it will fit into a smaller space, but it won't reduce your weight. The second thing I did was I got a couple of these things, which are they're like bags with 2 zips on, and I've got varying sizes, got a couple of different sizes, and they do a similar thing. You put your clothes in there and then zip up, and then you've got a second zip, which is here, which shrinks down the size. So again, it flattens it out. Not quite like the pump one, because it's not going to shrink it down too much, but it just kind of flattens it so that it fits better into your case. Again, not going to save you any weight, but it will save you space, and of course, depending on what you put in it, it's easier when you get to the other end. The thing I find most useful is I have a set of these. These are actually packing cubes, and they've just got a netting on the top, and they've got a zip that goes all the way around, or pretty much all the way around if it doesn't get stuck, and you can put stuff in there. And I tend to use these for things like underwear and my little spaghetti strap tops and things like that, things that I take quite a few of, but when you get to the other end, unpacking them is a nightmare. So what I do is I don't unpack them, because this will fit very nicely into a drawer when you get to your cabin. So all I do is I roll it up, take it with me, and then slip it into the cabin, into the drawer in the cabin. And then when I leave at the end, I just pull it out again, and then I can decide whether I'm going to have clean or laundry in there, but it just makes it very much easier. So different variations, packing. One of the things I do tend to do is roll my stuff. I find it keeps it neater, easier to pack and unpack, and also fits more in the space, and it doesn't tend to crease as much. So packing, space, great. If you want to save weight on your packing, if you've got to fly, I mean, if you're going out of a UK port, you live in UK, great, you can drive down your car, take as much luggage pretty much as you like, within reason, and you don't have to worry about weight. But if you do want to save weight, then I'll tell you some ways to do it. Okay, you have a great day. I'm the Curious Queen. If you enjoyed this tip, please hit the subscribe button and the notification button, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.